morning students, welcome to your drawing lecture. So students, in before lecture we had learned how to give a leaf print painting on the paper. In today's lecture we are going to learn the same concept, but in today's lecture we are going to apply the leaf on the paper and then we are going to give its color. As we will start with our lecture, I will tell you slowly how to do it. Okay? Now we will start with today's lecture. So students, now we will see what materials we will need for today's topic. For this we will need a pad, or drawing paper or a drawing book, colors, sketch pens, brushes, scale for your border, bowls for your water, color dish, a glue, some water, and different shapes of leaves. Okay students, I have taken different shapes of leaves. See, the 4 leaves are of different shape. You will also take different shapes of leaves. If you will get the same leaves, you all can take these leaves, or else you all can take other any leaves. Okay, so students, let's start with today's drawing. And today our topic is leaf print painting. Okay, before starting with any drawing, I told you before also you have to draw margin from all the 4 sides. Okay, from 0 to 1 centimeter we will start making a margin. From all the 4 sides you are going to take 0 to 1 centimeter. It is compulsory to draw a margin. Okay, done with the margin from all the 4 sides? Yes. Now we will write a topic name, and today's our topic is leaf print painting. Okay, done with the topic also. Now let's start with today's drawing. Okay, so students, in previous lecture we had colored the leaf, and with the help of the leaf color we had given a print. But in today's lecture we are going to do something different. We are going to take our leaf, and at the end of the corner we are going to apply the glue, and with the help of the glue we are going to stick a leaf on a paper. Like this we have to do it for rest of the 4 leaves. Okay, and when we will stick our leaf, then we will start applying color on the top of the leaf. The rest of the part also we are going to apply the color. Okay. Okay, now we will start applying a glue. Little only you have to apply it. Why we are going to apply glue? So our leaf will stay on that place only. See, only little you have to apply it. And now we are going to paste it on a drawing paper. And lightly you are going to press it, because again after our drawing is completed, we are going to remove our leaf. Same way you are going to do it to the rest of the leaves. Okay. Only little color you have to apply. Just like this. The same process for rest of the two leaves. Make sure you are not pressing your leaf hardly, because you are going to remove the leaf again. See students, I have sticked the 4 leaves. Okay, now it's time for colors. Okay. So today we are going to use different types of shade. And in the different types of shade we are going to use red color and white color. So now we will take a clean water and we will take 5 to 6 drops or more than that, because we will need a red color for the paper, for the entire paper. So make sure you will take the water as much you need. So students, I have taken my color water in the bigger section, because we will need much color for our paper. Now it's time for our red color. Done with our red color. Now here students, we will not use white color. I will tell you when we are going to use a white color. Now with the help of the brush, we will start giving the red color to our leaves. But see the way I am giving the color, okay? From the corner we will start giving a red color. Make sure that your color should not go out of the border. Okay, done with a red color. Now we will take a white color and little bit white color we are going to add in a red color. Okay, before using a white color, make sure you're washing your brush, because the same brush we are going to use in a white color, and if you will use the same brush directly in the white color, your white color may change into red color. So make sure you're washing your brush properly, then only you're using your white color. Now the white color which you are going to take, make sure you are taking it little only. Slowly we will increase a white color. But now at this point we will take little white color only. See, our red color has turned little lighter because we had used white color in that. Now start applying that color on a drawing paper. The same way we are going to apply it. Make sure that your red color and the different color which you have mixed are differently. When we use white color, our first color get little lighter. See students, you all can see the difference. Here is the dark red color and here the red color is been little lighter. Why? Because we add white color in a red color. Apply properly till the end. Just like this. Done. Again now students, we will add white color in this color. Okay, and then again we will get some other shade. Okay, done with this much. Now again we are going to use a white color, so our shade should get changed. Okay, whenever you will use a white color, you will see that your red color is getting lighter. Done. Now we will start applying this color on the rest of the part. Okay, See students, on this part the color will literally get changed. It will totally not get changed because we are using white color little only. So it will not get totally changed. Now in this color and this color there is slightly difference. You all can see there are slightly difference. Whenever you will use white color, it will literally change your color shade. If you all want more shade, you can use more white color. But if you all want less shade, you all can use less white color. Be careful at the border. Okay students, done with this much. This is our dark red color. Then we add little white color. So our red color change into different color. Then again we add some white color and again it change into some other color. But in these two colors you must be saying they are same because at this color I used little only white color. If you all want different shade, then you all can use more color from the further colors. Means if you are taking red color, then you will add white drops 2 to 3, and again if you all want same other shade, you will add more white color. So you will get different shade all the time. So I have also got 3 shades, but in these two colors on the camera it's looking same. But these two colors are different. This is little lighter than this color. Okay. So as you all want, you all can use as much white color as much you all want. After using the color, if you are stopping and again you are going to use white color, make sure you are washing your brush properly because you are going to use same brush in your white color. See now from red color we got 3 shades. Now one more shade we are going to make. Okay. For same we are going to use white color. With the help of the white color we are going to change our shade. Okay. The much white color you will use, the color shade will get lighter. Okay, now start applying this color on the rest part. Be careful at the corner part. completely you are going to use the rest part to color. Apply the color properly on the borders. See students, now you all can see the differences. First we took red color, then little we add white color in the red color. So we got lighter shade. Slowly we kept adding white color in a red color, and at last we got a light color. So as you will add white color in any other colors, the white color will make that color little lighter. After done with your coloring, make sure you will wash your brushes and you will keep it. If you will not wash your brushes, the color will stay and your brush will get tighter. So make sure you will wash your brush. Students, after done with your coloring, don't start removing the leaf. Wait for some time so our color will get dry completely. Then only you will start removing the leaves. Okay. So now we will wait for some time so our color will get dry. So students, as our color is getting dry, we will revise some things that we learned in our last lecture. So students, tell me, who was the first man who created drawing? Yes, the first man who created drawing was Homo. Tell me, when did he created the drawing? Yes, Homo created his first drawing before 73,000 years ago. And on what thing he created his first drawing? Yes, he created his first drawing on a rock. And can you tell me, where is the rock now? Where it is been kept? Yes, the rock is kept in Africa. And who created the famous painting Mona Lisa? Yes, the famous painting Mona Lisa was created by Leonardo da Vinci. And students, before starting with our drawing, what is compulsory to draw? Yes, before starting with our drawing, it's compulsory that we should draw margin from all the four sides. Okay? So students, our color is also completely dry. Now slowly we will start removing the leaves. Okay? Slowly you have to remove because we had applied glue on our leaves. Sometimes by mistakenly the color must go in. It's okay if your color is getting inside. But if little color is going, then only it's okay. If your much color is going inside, then do it properly. See students, I have not pressured the leaves, so leaves are coming out very easily. See? If your color is not dried, you will wait so your color will get dry. then only you will remove it. See students, if you will do the way I have shown you all, you will get the perfect lift shape. Okay? So students, today your homework will be, you will take different types of leaf. With the help of the glue, you will stick it and you will take different color, not the red color, you will take some other color and you will shade your paper and you will send me. Okay? And when you will send your homework, you will write your full name, your standard, division and your roll number. Okay students? Thank you students.